Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn off a dark mode in Droyo. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Droyo, I want you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Turning off dark mode in Droyo and switch to the default light theme is a very easy thing to do. It's very straightforward. Now, for example, you're working with a specific diagram like this one, and you wanted to revert it back to the original theme or background because it doesn't like suit your mood right now. All right. All I'm gonna do is go to the extras on the top corner where you can have the appearance. You see there is like an automatic and the light theme. Just click the automatic. All right, and it will revert back you to the light mode. Now, for users who work in well-lit environments, light mode can provide better contrast. Matter of fact, if you want to have a better contrast, go to extras, appearance, and improve contrast right here. Extras. You see, there isn't much of a thickened edge, right? If you go to extras, go to appearance, click the improve contrast. It'll take a little while, but you would notice the difference later. If you click this again and click the high contrast, see there's kind of like a thickened edge, and that would help you reduce eye strain and improve visibility compared to dark mode, because light backgrounds like white or the default tend to align better with printed documents, making it easier to visualize how the diagram will appear on paper. Again, here on the appearance, you can also use not only automatic, you can also the light, which is the same thing, especially if you regularly use design or productivity tools that default to light mode, such as, Google Docs, Microsoft Word, especially here in Droyo. Turning off the dark mode in a consistent experience across application provides a light mode that can be more visually accessible for everyone, especially in bright or natural light environments. Now, if you're working with multiple freelancers, obviously, all right, some team members might find it easier to read and follow diagrams in light mode, especially if they're not accustomed to dark theme interfaces. All right, prolonged use of dark mode, especially in combination with other dark theme apps or screens, may contribute to eye fatigue or strain. For some users, so switching to light mode can provide a break and balance your screen time experience. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.